Hai teman-teman, good morning. Hari ini today Mistika gonna show you how to make something. Okay? This week our goal is to make money. Okay? We have to work, right? Kita kan harus kerja nih. Kenapa sih kok kita harus kerja? Kenapa kok orang dewasa itu harus bekerja? Why your dad has to work? Why your mom has to work? Kenapa? Karena to earn money, untuk mendapatkan uang. Buat apa sih? Buat memenuhi kebutuhan. Uang itu buat beli makan, buat beli air, like that, buat bayar sekolah. That's why your parents need to work, okay? Nah, this week Miss wants you to try making something and earn money. Okay, let's make something and then sell it and then we can earn money. Okay, kita bikin sesuatu, ntar kita jual supaya dapat uang deh. Coba ya. Sekarang Mistika mau kasih tahu bikin yang paling gampang, bikin coklat. Okay, today Miss gonna show you how to make a chocolate, a cornflake chocolate. Later on when we meet during our group play, jadi nanti pas kita ketemu main bareng itu, we will make the chocolate together, okay? Yeah, later you will bring your chocolate at home and then I don't know, you can try to sell it to your neighbor or sell it to your friends, whoever available to you, sell it to them, okay? Now let's see how can we make the chocolate, ya? Pakainya apa aja, butuhnya apa aja, and then how to make it, okay? Come. Okay, so what you need is first this one, a stove, ya toh, a stove, this one yang bisa nyala. Mana kok apinya nggak keluar? Like that, the fire is on, and then you also need this one, a big pan. And then fill the pan with some water. We are gonna make the water boil, okay? And then to make the chocolate. Okay, so because we are going to make chocolate, so we need chocolate. This one, a bar of dark chocolate, and then cornflakes. Miss gonna make cornflake chocolate. So this is the cornflake. And then later on I need this one knife to cut the chocolate, and then this one also little cups to put the chocolate. The result gonna be here later. And then Mistika has this one mug. Later Miss gonna put the chocolate into the mug and then put the mug into the boiling water. Yeah, first I will boil the water. Miss gonna turn on the stove first. You can ask your mom. Atau pokoknya yang dewasa, orang dewasa yang nyalain kompornya, okay? Like this. Okay, we are going to let the water boils first. Okay, now Miss gonna cut the chocolate first, ya. Like this. So. Then put the chocolate into the mug. Okay, look, the water is boiling already. Lihat, blubuk, ada bubble-nya. Miss turn off the stove. Ya kan, jadi stop. Kalau stove-nya di turn off, ininya bubble-nya stop. And then Miss put the chocolate with the inside the mug into the hot water like this. And we're gonna let the chocolate melt. Ya, kita biarin coklatnya melt, meleleh. Look at this, guys. Look, the chocolate is slowly melting. Ya toh? Look, jadi melt. Let's wait. wait until all the chocolate melt. Miss gonna make just a little bit today because we are going to make more when we meet during our group play. Oke, ini Miss cuman kasih example aja for you. Look, already melt. All the chocolate is melted now. Okay, now Miss gonna put the cornflake into the mug. Miss biarin di sini biar dia tetap meleleh. This is the cornflakes. Let's open the cornflake first, and then let's put the cornflake into the mug. Cukup lah ya segini ya. Oke, just little bit. Karena kita mau bikin contoh aja. Aduk coklatnya sampai every cornflake are covered by the chocolate. Wow, it's so yummy. Looks so yummy. Super easy kan guys, stepnya guys. You can make it at home by yourself actually. Go, and then we are gonna put the chocolate into the tiny cups. Disendokin, kita scoop the chocolate like this. Sendoknya Miss too small. Too small ya ini kak. Cupnya Miss too small ternyata everywhere. Nah, but it's okay. This, okay. We got one, put into the plate, and let's another one. Okay, we will scoop all the chocolate into the cups like this. Okay, everyone, be right back. Wow, the chocolates are now done. Look, Miss already scooped all the chocolate into the tiny cups. And then how many chocolate do I get here? Let's count. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Miss Tika got 7 cups of chocolate. Let the chocolate cool first. Okay, Miss gonna put the chocolate into the fridge. Miss gonna put the chocolate into the fridge. Okay, and then let's wait for maybe an hour until the chocolate is cool. Okay, and then we will put the chocolate into a plastic bag and sell it. Okay. Look guys, this is the chocolate that Miss made today. I've got 7 chocolates, and what do you think? How much should we sell this chocolate? Berapa ya kalau kita jual coklatnya ini? Kita jual berapa ya? Can you think of the amount that we should sell this one? Yeah, how much should we sell this one? Okay, let's think about it. And then when we meet, you give me your ideas, okay? You give me your thoughts about this one, about how much should we sell our chocolate. Okay? That's it everyone. Making this chocolate, this cornflake chocolate is super simple and you can sell it easily. You can earn money easily then. Can you do that? Yeah, we only need chocolate and then cornflakes. And maybe the cups, okay, the paper cups. Only 3 things that you need to buy to make this cornflake chocolate. But no worries, because when we have our group play on Monday and Wednesday, ya toh? So next week we are going to make this one together. Okay? Miss gonna let you bring this one home kok, tenang aja. Okay, no worries. Bye everyone. Wait. But if you want to make your chocolate to be more colorful, Miss forgot to buy the sprinkles. Yang
sprinkles warna-warni yang kecil-kecil itu Miss forgot to buy it. So sorry. So if you have one at home ya no need to buy. Nggak perlu beli. Kalau ada di rumah you may bring it. But if you don't have any it's okay. Like this kayak gini aja tuh udah enak. Okay everyone, that's it. That's what we are going to do this week. Okay, jadi minggu ini kita mau ceritanya kita tuh mau jualan gitu loh, mau earn money, kita mau dapat uang. Gimana sih cara biar kita bisa dapat uang? Oke, by selling stuff, dengan jualan barang, jualan makanan, whatever it is. So that's it. We are going to try earn money by ourselves this week. Okay? Can we? Of course we can. Okay, we have to believe in ourselves. Okay, that's it everyone. See you next week then. See you on Monday until Friday. Bye everyone. Have a nice weekend. Yum 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 yum.